go. Here's another one.
Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northern Tarrant County in north-central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m.
Oh, for Christ's sakes. Oh, God. Yep, it's starting to get, it's bad out now.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Grand Prairie, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, The Colony, Southlake, Watonga, Colleyville, Corinth, Saginaw, Highland Village, and
For Christ's sakes.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 35W between mile markers 15 and 79. Interstate 35 between mile markers 447 and 456. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.